Welcome to the Smash News Network, least busted David News. We got some China storms going on, some storms from China, okay? Storms from China. Here at the Smash News Network, least busted David News. We talk about cyclones wherever they are. Here's a typhoon or whatever it's called out in the Pacific Ocean, okay? It's a China cyclone, a cyclone from China. China. It could be the fault of Putin, we're not exactly sure, but it could be Putin's fault. It could be Xi Jinping's fault. I mean, Zhuang Jiaoming. Wait, what's that guy's name? Anyway, this cyclone was made in China. It could be caused by HAARP or Geoengineering. Okay. You can see we've got 50-mile-per-hour winds there. It's that making landfall, weakening as we're speaking. Let's check out sea surface temperature anomalies. See, the water's not that hot there, so it didn't really make that good of a landfall. If that hurricane would have struck the U.S., it would have been the most spectacular, the most amazing, the most stupendously perfect and beautiful cyclone that you ever saw make landfall. Okay? But that cyclone is a China cyclone from China, made with stolen U.S. intellectual capital. Okay? Anyway, now that I've gotten that out of my system, here are the surface winds of the eastern world. China cyclone. Some strong winds here in the Southern Ocean as well. Could be some high seas south of Australia. Here are the jet streams of the eastern world. Backward jet stream there over the equatorial region. A little bit of the eastern Indian Ocean. Here are the jet streams of the Americas. Shout out to our viewers from all around the world. Shout out to our American viewers. Happy Independence Day weekend. We hope you are independent from viewing nonsense on the internet. Here are the surface winds of the Americas. Strong low there over northeastern Canada translates all the way to the jet stream. Here are the surface winds of Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. What you could call the center of the world. And there are the jet streams. Again, jet stream blowing backward over the northern and central Indian Ocean. Also part of the African continent. I wonder if we're getting some serious dust. Let's just check dust while we're here real quick. Look at the Duex. And indeed there is some Saharan dust there. There's the Saharan dust situation. It's blowing north. And there may be some dust blowing around the Mediterranean at the moment. Here's your weather.gov map. If your county's lit, click your county. Got some type of warnings there. What's up with that? Got some warnings here. Tropical storm warnings there up the east coast of the U.S. Yowzers. So we'll, don't worry. We will get some forecasts about that here in a moment. Here's your NASA GOES lightning mapper. Lots of lightning here around the western world over the past about 10 hours. Lightningmaps.org could save your bacon. We've got some active cells in the US. Shout out to our viewers from BitChute and from YouTube. Those would be the only places to see this video. Got some cells around Kentucky-Ohio border. There you go. There are some active lightning strikes and the thunderclaps likely to be emitted. Lightningmaps.org, it's spectacular. We don't do bike races in severe thunderstorms, although we race in mud and rain and torrential downpours and hurricanes, and I've ridden through floodwaters at high speeds. So here's our temperature anomaly forecast based on the GFS model for the next 72 hours. This is how you can expect temperatures to play out. Going to have some pretty wild swings there around the southwestern U.S. And yeah, some hotter temperatures in the center of the country here coming in the next 3 days. That's your holiday weekend forecast. Here's your pressure and precipitation forecast. And we'll have quite a bit of precipitation here over various portions of the country. Happy Independence Day, happy 4th of July, happy oppression of whoever, whatever you've got to say about it. Leave us a comment, let us know. We like ridiculous comments as much as we like rational ones. Continuing on to windy.com to check out pressure cells. And let's see if we can get a forecast for this low. Looks like a low is going to develop around North Carolina. I don't see a tropical storm. Do you see a tropical storm? Apparently the European model does not agree with weather.gov. Look at the pressure changing in the western U.S. The whole entire western U.S. is going to turn into a low pressure. Check it out. Yowzers. Then a low forming south of Mexico. I don't know what the heck they're talking about. Let's see what else we can find here. I don't see a tropical storm. Anybody see a tropical storm there? It looks like a weak low is going to form at North Carolina. I don't know what else. Anyway, weather.gov if you want to check out the warning. I don't know what's up with it. Some strong weather hitting Kansas City here. Kansas City going to see extended rains here. As you're getting hit straight up. And we'll close out with some fresh satellite imagery here. This is the shortwave radiation map. See heavy cloud cover here off the coast of South Carolina and Georgia. Here's your water vapor map. And let's do one bonus feature here. We're going to go back to sea surface temperature anomaly. Let's go to sea surface temperature anomaly here and see if the water is hot or if it's not. And indeed, it's anomalously cold. So there you go. Not likely to increase the power of that low. Here's your recap. U.S. Doppler radar showing vertical motion of water droplets. Here is the shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog. And here is water vapor to close out our meteorology segment. Thanks for tuning in. We've got to end this and get it onto your screens. At the Smash News Network, least busted name in